Hey guys, this is Henry here again. All right, I've been getting a whole lot of messages from a whole lot of people telling me to do a video on how to buy Shiba Inu coin. Guys, this thing is very easy, but I've come to realize that not everybody understand how these exchange platforms work. All right, this is my personal Binance account. As you can see, I have small money here, $4,500. All right. Now, if you want to, you can buy Shiba Inu coin from almost all the platforms right now. Almost all the platforms right now. You can buy from Binance, which is the best for me, the most secured and the best place I feel you can buy from. You can buy from let me see. You can buy from Trustwallet. I think I still have some currencies on Trustwallet too. You can buy from Trustwallet using Pancake Swap. This might be difficult for a whole lot of people. So just stick to this video. I'm going to show you the best and the easiest part. But right now, let me just show you places where you can buy from. It just depends on the platform you know how to make use of. You can buy from Trustwallet. I've talked about Binance, but I'll go back to Binance to show you how to buy. You can also buy from Hotbit. You can buy from Hotbit. This is my Hotbit account. You can buy from Hotbit. You can buy from, I think, you can buy from crypto.com. Oh, okay. You can buy from crypto.com. Let's allow it. I think I uninstalled it. You can buy from crypto.com. So let me quickly rush back to Binance so that this video would be short. Now, if you want to buy Shiba Inu from Binance, first of all, what you want to do is fund your account with USDT or Bitcoin. Let's go to SHIB. Let's search. Just click this search icon and search for SHIB. Okay, this is SHIB. I even have 86,000 SHIB here on Binance. Okay, that's great. All right, what you want to do now is, did I click SHIB? SHIB. Okay. Now, if you see SHIB/AUD, the first one, SHIB/BRL, SHIB/BUSD, SHIB/EUR, SHIB/TRY, then SHIB/USDT. So USDT. So there's no Bitcoin here. So you can't swap Bitcoin for Shiba Inu. So you can the best currencies here that I know most of us might have is USDT and BUSD. So you want to first of all fund your Binance wallet with USDT. So how can you fund your Binance wallet? Although I have a video on that, but let me just quickly run through it. You can fund your Binance wallet by, if you are in Nigeria, just have it in mind that you can't use your bank card or bank transfer to buy cryptocurrencies anymore because there's a ban on banks working with cryptocurrencies platforms. So the only best way you can do that is P2P. What you are seeing here, P2P. Once you tap P2P, you see the first one you are seeing is USDT, BTC, BUSD, BNB, Ethereum, NGN, and so on. DAI. So we want to buy USDT. Now, these are list of people who are willing to sell USDT. So these are the prices they want to sell for. The first person here is selling for 567 for 1 USDT. So USDT is just equivalent to US dollars. So right now, let's say you want to invest like 10,000 naira on Shiba Inu and you don't have any USDT, your account is zero. Then what you want to do is, once you click P2P, let's buy from this first guy. His own is looking cheap, 567. The second guy is 568. Let's just click buy. Once you click buy, I have a video on this. It's very simple. Once you put the amount you want, okay, 10,000 naira, you click buy. It will take you to a place, the payments method. So now if you click where is it? See this below here, you will see cancel to payment page. All right, so once you click to payment page, now look at the person's account number. The person's name is Marvelous Irobiakan. account number is blah blah blah, and the bank is Kuda Finance Bank. Don't ask questions like, Henry, what if I send the money? How am I going to be sure? Don't worry, it is Binance has got you covered. I have bought cryptocurrencies. I've bought USDT from this platform worth over 150,000, 150,000, 200,000, and there's no issue. There can never be issue. Once you have made the payment, you can see there's a chat icon up here. You chat the person, tell the person payment made, then you click transferred. So let's just say, for instance, you copy the bank number, then you go to your own app, maybe you are using Zenith or any bank, send the money. Once you send the money, you come back here and you click this transferred to notify seller. Once you have clicked the transfer, you can now chat the seller up, please, I've just made transfer. Always make sure you screenshot the payment, the receipt, in case of incasity. But there has never been any problem ever since I've been using them over 2 years now. There has never been any problem. So once you click transfer to seller, notify seller, the seller will release the funds. If the seller doesn't release the fund, if you complain, Binance will release the fund to you and they will block this seller. So it's always very easy. So once your payment is successful and the seller has automatically released the USDT, what you want to do is you will come back here, because when you click wallet, you might not still find it amongst it will not show here. So what you want to do is swipe here. See, I'm swiping. Watch the top here is swiping. Swipe to P2P. Once you tap P2P, P2P wallet has merged into funding wallets. All your assets in P2P wallet has been transferred to funding wallet. Okay, I've not used this for a very long time, so this is a new one. All right, okay, look at it below here, P2P. Once you tap P2P, oh, let's go back. I've not used it in a while. All right, if your transfer is successful, definitely you would see 17 USD here, which is equivalent to the 10,000 naira you deposited. So what you want to click is click transfer. Once you click transfer, if you see it say transfer from funding to spot. So once you click it, click max. I don't have anything here. Click max. Once you click max, you click confirm transfer. It will transfer your money straight to spot. So you want your money to be at the spot on your spot wallet. That's where you want the money to be. So once it's there, thank God, then you now search for SHIB. I'm sorry, I'm rushing. I don't want this video to be too long, because some people complain that my video are always long. Click SHIB. Once you click SHIB, click SHIB/USDT. Once you click SHIB/USDT, then now you want to buy. Now, if you check top here, it's at the buy point. Let me click sell. You see sell. That is if you have Shiba and you want to sell. Now buy. That's where you need it to be. Now you will now type in the amount you want. Tap the total. Okay, let's say okay. As you can see, I have $25. I have 25 USDT. Let me click 100%, meaning I want to use all my 25 USDT to buy Shiba Inu. So what I'm having here is 60,800. Is this 60,000? Is this 60,000? I'm not really too good with numbers. This is this is all 608,000, whichever. So that is the amount this $25 is worth. Then I will just click buy. Once I click buy, automatically I have bought $25 worth of Shiba Inu, which is over 60,000 something or 600 and something thousand. I don't know what that figure is there. It's as simple as that. So I would advise you buy from Binance. It's very safe and secured. Now, a lot of people have asked, sir, how can we buy from Hotbit? Now, Hotbit doesn't have that platform, P2P platform. They don't have that P2P platform. So, in a nutshell, you can't deposit through bank card or online bank transfer or even P2P on Hotbit wallet. So what you want to do is you want to buy USDT from Binance, then send the USDT to your Hotbit wallet. That is if it's Hotbit you want to use, but there's no need sending like that when you can actually buy from Binance. Except maybe there's a cryptocurrency on Hotbit you want to purchase, but it's not on Binance. That's when you can just transfer your USDT to your Hotbit, then now swap the coin, exchange the coin. That's why these apps are called exchange platform, where you can exchange a coin for another. Is that clear? Now, if you want to buy from Trust Wallet, like I told you. Now, if you're making use of iPhone, it will be difficult right now because the browser icon is no longer here, where you can connect to Pancake Swap. This one is the most difficult, so I will not even advise anybody to use Trust Wallet for now. So there are other platforms you can use. I won't advise to use Trust Wallet for now. But if you are using an Android phone and you have been using Trust Wallet before, you would understand how to do this. I have a video on that you can check. So if you want to buy from, I think it would have downloaded right now. Crow. Let me see Crow. I think I still have some wallet, some currencies there. I think I have some currencies here. So I hope it will tell me to log in and all those things. Buying from Crow is just the same way you buy from Binance. So even if you want to buy from, let me go back to Hotbit. Let's say you have your money in Hotbit wallet and you want to buy Shiba. So what you want to do is the same process. All these exchange platform, their process are the same. Just click SHIB USDT, see buy below, sell. You click buy. It's the same thing. So the amount, see, right now I have available USDT 0.1. Let me click 100% of that. So 100% of 0.1 SHIB will give me, of 0.1 USDT will give me 3,627 Shiba Inu. What I want to do now is click buy. Once you click buy, if it tells you that your order is pending, don't worry, you can hold on, it will fill. Or why it is pending is because probably the present price, people are actually, let's say for instance now Shiba Inu is selling for 0.000414. Are you getting me? 4142. Look at this guy that is selling 16 million of Shiba rightly above this present price. His own is 0.004151, but right now he's selling for 41. Okay, see, they are increasing it 4146, 4147. So this is the people that want to sell. So if the present price has not gotten to the part where they say they want to sell from, it will still be pending until somebody wants to sell at that present price. So you can just, if you don't want to waste that time, tap any of all these people that are willing to sell. Tap any of them. I tapped one right now. Tap any of them and sell and buy rather. So you are buying from them immediately at their own price. So it may just be a little bit different in value. Do you understand? If this is 0.01 SHIB, it's supposed to give me okay, see, so if this SHIB is supposed to give me 3687, but because I'm buying at a little bit higher price, now it's giving me 3587. So it's nothing to worry about. It's just a little difference. Do you understand, guys? I'm trying to make this very, very easy. I'm trying to make this very, very easy. Okay, yes, as you can see, I even have money here. I have 170 USD. Let me see the coins that I hold. Let me see the coins that I hold. Okay. It's been long I used. I have a lot of wallets. I have a lot of wallets that I've even forgotten how to make use of them. Can you imagine? All right. Okay. Yeah, Crow Wallet. Okay, I have crypto.com coin. You know, I told you I love buying exchange governance token. I like buying their own token, their own coin. So I have 870 Crow. Is worth $170 right now. Are you seeing? So this is what I hold in this wallet. So from here to you can still buy Shiba Inu. If this is the coin, if it's the wallet that you have, you can just search for SHIB. We are seeing here Shiba Inu. You type it. If you want to buy Shiba Inu, sell Shiba Inu, click buy Shiba Inu. It's okay. These people are, you can't really buy with card. You can't buy with card. If you're in Nigeria, you can't buy with card. So you need to buy with other platforms, which is fiat wallets. Let me even see. Or can we even buy with can we even buy with Crow? I think we can't even buy with Crow. So, but like I said earlier, just use the most important ones, which is Binance. If you are in America, if you are anywhere outside Nigeria, see, you will not face any issue buying because you can buy with your card or straight from your bank account. Simple and short. Nigerians, they are making things difficult for their citizens. So that's why you have to go through all this process, buying through P2P and all that. But if you are not in Nigeria, God has blessed you, because you can immediately buy with your card or with your bank or bank transfer. So that is that. Shiba Inu, guys, Shiba Inu is something I would advise us to invest in right now. Shiba Inu is the next big thing. It's going to, if it doesn't get to where Dogecoin is, it will get close to where Dogecoin is, because everybody is talking about it right now. Robinhood is allowing it right now on their platform. Coinbase has already allowed it on their platform. So you know, when a cryptocurrency is accepted in almost all the top 5 strongest exchange platform, you should know that that cryptocurrency will go well. That was what happened to Dogecoin. Immediately Elon Musk said something about it, all these exchange platform began to accept it on their platform. Before we knew it, it shot up to $0.2. It shot up to $0.2. Dogecoin, before, that was a shit coin. You guys know what I'm talking about. Dogecoin was a nonsense coin. I know of a lot of people who sold over 100 million of their Dogecoin because it was a nonsense coin. I could remember when I was still mining Doge. They were giving me Doge free of charge. 100 Doge free of charge. 100 Doge free of charge. That was how I was able to harness a whole lot of Doge. When Elon Musk pumped it, I made so much money from Dogecoin. I didn't buy any Dogecoin. Dogecoin was given to me free of charge. So what I'm saying in essence is, if that kind of shit coin, that kind of nonsense and rubbish coin could get to $0.2, don't think Shiba Inu will not get there. So it's something we should invest in. This is not really a financial advice. So you should be careful while you are investing, because anything can happen. Anything can happen. So I want to believe that this video has been helpful. If it is not helpful, if you still have questions to ask, you still don't understand how to buy and how to, I don't know, because I try my possible best to explain to a layman understanding. So I want to believe that everybody that has watched this video would understand how to purchase Shiba Inu and any other coin at all. So in a nutshell, in conclusion, if you want to buy Shiba Inu, register on Binance. I will be dropping the link in the description of this video. Register on Binance. Once you've registered on Binance, or if you're outside Nigeria, any exchange platform, if it's Coinbase you are making use of, if it's any blockchain, anyone you're making use of, fine, no problem. You won't have issues buying, because you can buy straight from your card and your bank transfer. It's easy. But if you're in Nigeria, register on Binance. Once you register on Binance, you fund your USDT account with P2P. Once you fund it with P2P, or you can buy from any other seller, or maybe any black market. If you have anybody that has USDT that they want to sell, you send your wallet address to them. Just go on your Binance, search for USDT. You will see there, you will see deposit and withdraw. What you want to click is click deposit. Then you will see your address, your wallet address, your USDT wallet address, just like your bank account number. You copy it and you send it to the person. Then the person will send the amount to you. You will receive it. Do you understand? So buy from P2P. Once you buy from P2P, go to your P2P, transfer it to your spot account. Once you transfer it to your spot account, search for Shiba Inu. Once you find Shiba Inu, click the SHIB/USDT. Once you click that, click buy. Once you click buy, you click 100% if you want to use all the whole money that you all the whole USDT you have to buy it. If it's not all, just click 50%. Then that means if you have $20, it will use just $10 and purchase Shiba Inu. Then that's all. You automatically have it. It's as simple as ABCD. If you have any more question, you can ask me. Thank you very much, guys.